अकेडमी का प्रांगण उत्साह और उल्लास से सराबोर है। हम एकत्रित हुए हैं एक ऐसे आयोजन का हिस्सा बनने के लिए जो केवल प्रतियोगिता नहीं बल्कि अनुशासन, एकता और समर्पण का पर्व है, हमारा वार्षिक खेल समारोह। Now I kindly request our school band to escort our guest of honor.
Since our golden India.
Once upon a time in the land where the Himalayas sky the sky and the Ganga blesses the plain, a civilization was born, rich, wise and golden.
Today, the same India works with modern dreams and digital wings. From heritage to high-tech, the journey continues. This is our golden India.
India is a land that's leaping towards the future, from launching satellites into space to leading in digital innovations, from startups to smart cities, from local crafts to global achievements.
Today, the same India works with modern dreams and digital wings. From heritage to high-tech, the journey continues. This is our golden India. Namaste, good afternoon and a heartfelt welcome to one and all present here.
Respected chief guests, guests of honor, other dignitaries, honorable principal, sisters, beloved parents, esteemed teachers, and our ever-energetic fellow students. It fills our heart with joy to have you all amidst us on this splendid afternoon today as we come together to celebrate the spirit of sports, discipline, and golden India.
सुनहरी दोपहर सुनहरा अरमान, हर दिल में है स्वर्णिम भारत का अभिमान, जहाँ खेल सिर्फ जीत नहीं संस्कारों की पहचान है, जहाँ मैदान में उतरना ही एक नई उड़ान है.
Why Golden India? This year, India celebrates the theme of heritage and development, and our school has proudly embraced it from the very roots to ever-rising branch.
स्वर्णिम भारत सिर्फ एक विषय नहीं, हमारी सोच, हमारी पहचान और हमारे उज्जवल भारत का संकल्प है.
आज हम सिर्फ खेल का उत्सव नहीं मना रहे हैं, हम एक महान नायक की वीरता को भी नमन कर रहे हैं. धरती आबा भगवान बिरसा मुंडा.
It is a proud moment that CBSE has dedicated 1st to 15th November as a 15-day campaign to honor the legacy of Birsa Munda, inspiring students across the nation with his message of courage, culture and freedom. With this note, I, Palak Dangi,
यश गवाड़े,
Rishika Chauhan,
ऋषभ दांगी
and Anjali Vishwakarma, your host, your voice and your companion on this wonderful journey of energy, enthusiasm and excellence. It's truly an honor to stand before you and welcome you all to the spectacular celebration of Annual Sports Day 2025.
So let's begin this radiant afternoon of glory and grace where every heart beats in a winning race.
Welcome once again to Annual Sports Day 2025, where passion meets purpose and victory shines bright.
Pratna. केवल शब्द नहीं, यह आत्मा की वह मधुर ध्वनि है जो हमें परमात्मा से जोड़ती है। यह हमारे मन को निर्मल और हृदय को शांत बनाती है।
आज जब हम गोल्डन इंडिया हेरिटेज एंड डेवलपमेंट के इस भव्य उत्सव का आरंभ करने जा रहे हैं, तो आइए सर्वप्रथम नतमस्तक होकर ईश्वर से आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करते हैं। Presenting to you a soul-stirring prayer dance.
Let the rhythm of divinity flow, let your hearts be still and your minds be open, your souls be lifted.
तेरे घर पे हम आए हैं, सात स्वरों से गीत सजाएंगे, भक्ति करने जिस सब ज्ञानी सत्य सनातन प्रभु की गुंजन बस वही जो हर अनंत और अनादि सारी सृष्टि जिस सजाए
Thank you.
Wow, what beautiful performance it was. Thank you girls for embracing the stage. Deep Jyoti Param Brahma, Deepah Sarvat Moyah, Deepem Sadhyate, Sarv Sandhya Deep Namostate.
It is the light of the lamp.
Achieve energy. To mark the auspicious beginning of today's grand celebration, we shall now light the lamp, a symbol
धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ज्योतिषा प्रभुरव्ययः भो दीपज्ञं देहि पुत्राक्ष अतिं स्वच्छामि मे सदा रविरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रविरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो
Golden India. Thank you to all the dignitaries for lighting the ceremonial lamp.
Some days don't just begin, they bloom. आज की यह दोपहर भी कुछ खास है। हवा में उत्सव की महक और आसमान में सुनहरी उम्मीदों का रंग।
Golden India heritage and development isn't just a phrase, it's a heartbeat that echoes through our tradition, our pulses with the rhythm and progress.
आज का ये मैदान सिर्फ खेलों का मैदान नहीं, ये हमारी संस्कृति और विकास का संगम है। Where every cheer celebrate our roots and every victory celebrate our rises.
And to begin this golden journey, we seek blessing from a guiding soul, a leader who turns every challenge into a lesson and every dream into direction. So with heart full of respect and pride, हम सादर आमंत्रित करते हैं our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Bensi, to step forward and shower her words of wisdom.
A very good afternoon to respected Chief Guest, Mr. M.K. Singh, DIG CRPF, MP Sector, Guest of Honor, Reverend Mother Prioress Asha Tayil, the President of the Society, Reverend Father Isaac Eka, Parish Priest, and other distinguished guests on the dais, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, respected principals from various schools, sisters from different branch houses of Ashirvad Priory, beloved parents, PTA members, teachers, and my dear students. It is my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you to this annual sports meet of St. Benedict Academy, themed Golden India Heritage and Developments, which is a tribute to our glorious past and a commitment to bright future. It's also a call to action for all of us to strive for excellence and contribute to the growth and development of our nation. We are deeply honored and grateful to have Mr. M.K. Singh, a distinguished officer and a proud son of India, as our chief guest today. Sir, your illustrious career spanning across various capacities and regions is a testament to our dedication and service to the nation. Your presence today will undoubtedly inspire our students to emulate your values and serve our country with pride. A few words about our chief guest. Mr. M.K. Singh, a native of Bihar, completed his early education at Sainik School and later pursued higher studies in political science, psychology and philosophy from Allahabad University. He joined the Indian Revenue Service in 1994 and has served in various capacities across the country, including Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Bihar, Assam, Manipur and Tamil Nadu. Currently, he serves as the DIG at the CRPF MP sector headquarters in Bhopal. Apart from his professional achievements, Sir is known for his passion for culture, art and literature. He played a significant role in reviving the folk art in Jharkhand, earning recognition from Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his Mann Ki Baat program. His dedication, sensitivity and cultural awareness have established him as an exemplary administrator and social worker. Thank you, sir, for your goodwill in accepting our invitation and motivating our students. Now, may I request our head boy, Master Akash Tiwari, to welcome sir with a sapling. And I also welcome Shahrukh sir, our PTI, and Sister Mercy, the local manager, to honor him with a shawl and memento. I extend a warm welcome to our guest of honor, Mother Prioress Sister Asha Tayil, the President of our society. Her dedication to education and social welfare is an inspiration to all of us. Her tireless efforts to promote education and empower marginalized communities are a shining example of her commitment to social justice. We thank you, Mother, for your support in the development of this institution. On this special day, I welcome our Mother Prioress Sister Asha to this annual sports meet of St. Benedict Academy. Now, may I call upon our head girl, Chitrangana Rekwa, to welcome Mother Prioress Asha with sapling, and Varsha ma'am to honor her with a shawl. It is with great honor and reverence that I extend a warm welcome to our Reverend Father Isaac Eka, our beloved spiritual leader, to this annual sports meet of St. Benedict Academy. Reverend Father, your presence today is a blessing to our institution, and we are privileged to have you share the joy and excitement in this occasion. Your guidance and blessings have been a source of inspiration to all of us, and we are grateful for your unwavering support. Now, may I call upon our sports minister, Master Divyanshu Nigam, to welcome Father with a sapling, and Vijay sir to honor him with a shawl. I also extend a cordial welcome to all our distinguished guests and well-wishers, Reverend Fathers, brothers and sisters. You all are a blessing to all of us today. Thank you for your support and cooperation. To all the parents, teachers and students, I welcome you all to this joyous occasion. Your presence is a testament to your unwavering support for our students, and to our institution. As we celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship and teamwork, let us also remember the values of discipline, perseverance, and fair play that sports teaches. Today, we have a packed schedule of events including thrilling competitions, entertaining performance, and I am confident that our students will showcase their talents and make us proud. As we begin this celebration, I would like to express my gratitude to all the organizers, teachers, and volunteers who have worked tirelessly to make this day a successful one. Under the able guidance of Vice Principal Sister Liz Maria, Sister Saumya, and Sister Mercy, your hard work and dedication have made it possible for us to come together and celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship. Once again, I welcome one and all to this annual sports meet of St. Benedict Academy. Thank you.
Information. It's time for the most awaited part of the day, the Grand March Past, where every step tells a story and every flag waves the pride of our school.
As the field readies itself for a symphony of synchronized footsteps, we humbly request our honorable chief guest to accept the ceremonious salute bestowed by contingents.
सेंट बेनेडिक्ट एकेडमी बगरेसा का बैंड ग्रुप मार्च पास्ट की अनुमति चाहता है। रिस्पेक्टेड सर।
ऑफिस बेरर राइट टर्न।
आज जब हमारे वीर खिलाड़ी अपने अपने हाउस का झंडा थामे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, तो यह दृश्य हमें याद दिलाता है कि जहां परिश्रम होता है, वहीं विजय का सूर्योदय होता है। Here, every step tells a story, and every flag waves the pride of our school.
बैंड ग्रुप अटेंशन।
Parade! Stand at ease! Attention! Parade! Right turn! Parade! By the left! Forward! March!
Let's welcome them one by one and to march with pride, procession, and power.
Deputy Sports Minister Ms. Chetna Sharma, the Cultural Minister Ms. Shrishti Chaurasia, Deputy Cultural Minister Ms. Kalpina Joshi, Discipline Minister Ms. Akansha Tangi, Deputy Discipline Minister Master Kripan Sabli.
Following firstly in the lead, we have the calm and blissful Sapphires, shining blue house. Leading the troop is the captain Master Ishant Yadav and vice captain Ms. Kashvi Meena. They prove that brilliance and balance works hand in hand. Creative, confident and calm. That's our blue house.
Here they come, the fearless warriors of Red House with Captain Master Rajput Harshvardhan Jaising Rathore and Vice Captain Ms. Tanu Singh, marching with hearts of fire and eyes full of dream. They truly resemble the brave Gryffindors, bold, daring and steady, ready to conquer every challenge. Their steps say we are not afraid to dream big, for courage is the fire that makes us shine. With unstoppable spirit and heads held high, they march at the ground the Red House.
Now, entering the arena is the emerald like shining greenhouse. Leading the discipline squad is Miss Ishita Yadav, supported by Vice Captain Master Roshan Patel. Strong, determined and driven by purpose. They carry the charm of majestic Netherlands, ambitious, strategic and unstoppable. We don't wait for chances, we create them. Watch them march with power, pride and perfection.
And here they come, the house that glows with warmth, as beautiful as a topaz, the Yellow House. Leading the vibrant squad is Captain Miss Swati Meena and Vice Captain Miss Lakshmi Gangli. Gentle yet mighty, humble yet strong. They resemble the golden-hearted Hufflepuffs, loyal, hardworking and true to their values. Their motto shines bright. In every small act lies great strength. With smiles that light up the ground, let us applaud the ever-gracious Yellow House.
Commanding the vehicles of this grand march past is our esteemed school band. School band, guided with exceptional mastery and grace by our accomplished band leader, Ms. Survi Singh. With each resonant beat of the drums and each mellifluous rise of the brass, the band waves the atmosphere of pride, discipline and dignity across the entire field. Their cadence becomes the lifeline of every contingent, ensuring that every stride taken is synchronized, purposeful and reflective of the spirit of Saint Benedict Academy. Today, as the band leads us forward, they do not merely provide rhythm, they embody the harmony, precision and tradition that defines this ceremonial parade.
Wow, what a splendid spectacle of spirit and synchronization. 4 houses, 4 colors, yet one heartbeat, one school and one pride. They reflect the spirit of our golden India.
आज के इस गरिमामय समारोह में प्रस्तुत किए जाने वाला मार्च पास्ट केवल अनुशासन का दर्पण नहीं, बल्कि हमारे विद्यालय की आदर्शवादी सोच, सांस्कृतिक विरासत और निरंतर प्रगति का सूक्ष्म प्रतिबिंब है। जब हमारे छात्र सधे हुए पर अग्रसर होते हैं, तो उनकी चाल में परिश्रम की दृढ़ता, व्यक्तित्व की शिक्षा, विनम्रता और रवैया राष्ट्र प्रेम की ऊर्जा झलकती है।
Together they make our school shine brighter than any golden thread in the sky. Every grand celebration begins with a moment that defines its purpose, a moment that marks the dawn of glory, unity and pride. And today, as the sun gleams gently over this field, we arrive at the most awaited and most significant part of our annual sports function, the opening ceremony.
This is the moment when our vision takes flight, our spirit is ignited and determination finds direction.
हर आयोजन का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण और गौरवपूर्ण क्षण होता है उसका आरंभ, जब पूरे वर्ष की मेहनत, अनुशासन और उमंग एक साथ मैदान पर उतरती है। आज का यह उद्घाटन समारोह भी उसी भावना का प्रतीक है, जो संपूर्णता, एकता का स्वाभिमान का संदेश देता है। यही वह पल है जब सेंट बेनेडिक्ट अकेडमी के खेल पर्व की शुरुआत होती है, एक ऐसी यात्रा जो परिश्रम से प्रेरित है और उपलब्धियों से आलोकित।
To begin this glorious journey, we shall have the flag hoisting ceremony, a moment that symbolizes the pride, honor and unity of Saint Benedict Academy. As our flag ascends high in the air, it reminds every heart here that true victory lies not merely in achievement, but in relentless effort behind it. We now request our esteemed chief guest, Mr. M.K. Singh Sir, DIG CRPF, to kindly do the honor of hosting the sports flag.
As our flag ascends high in the air, it reminds every heartbeat here that true victory lies not merely in achievement, but in the relentless effort behind it. मशाल प्रज्वलन, वह क्षण जो प्रकाश, ऊर्जा और प्रेरणा का प्रतीक है. We now humbly request our guest of honor, Mother Prioress Reverend Sister Asha, the esteemed President of the Benedictine Society, to kindly grace us by receiving the sacred Saint Benedict Academy torch and igniting the spirit of unity and inspiration. Mother Prioress Reverend Sister Asha will now pass the torch to our proud sports captains, Master Divyanshu Nigam and Miss Chetna Sharma, the true torch bearers of discipline, teamwork and dedication. Our captains will now hand over the flame to Miss Tanu Singh, a skilled karate student whose strength and focus inspires many. A national level karate player, from her, the flame will travel to Krishna Rajak, a shining star and a national level athlete who embodies the essence of hard work and perseverance. Finally, the flame will reach Bholiram Rajak, our national badminton player, whose achievements have brought pride and glory to our institution. As the flame of sportsmanship passes from one hand to another, two players from the volleyball team will join them at every step, symbolizing teamwork, unity, and the ever-rising spirit of Saint Benedict Academy. As the flame of sportsmanship is lit, it reminds us of our duties and the sportsmanship we need on the field. As the flame of sportsmanship passes from one hand to another, it reminds us of our duties. Next, we will have the oath of sportsmanship, where athletes pledge to compete with honor, respect, and integrity, following the true spirit of the game. To lead us through this solemn occasion, we invite our sports captains, Master Divyanshu Nigam and Miss Chetna Sharma, to kindly come forward to administer the oath.
Parade, attention! Stretch your right hand for sports oath. We, the student of Saint Benedict Academy, swear that we will take part on the annual sports meet 2025-26 in fair competition, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them, and with the desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship and for the honor of our school and the glory of sports. Jai Hind.
And now we proceed to the formal declaration of Annual Sports Meet 2025, an announcement that breathes life into this grand celebration set to shine bright across the grounds of Saint Benedict Academy. Now I request our chief guest to officially declare the Annual Sports Meet 2025 open.
With great pride, I, M.K. Singh, DIG Central Reserve Police Force, hereby declare the Saint Benedict Academy, Bagracia Annual Sports Meet for the year 2025 and 26 officially opened. Good luck to you all.
Thank you, sir.
Discipline, rhythm, and coordination. When these three blend together, they create magic. And that magic is about to unfold before your eyes. With heads held high and heart full of pride, here comes the young maestros of Saint Benedict Academy, ready to fill the air with the thunder of drums and melody of patriotism.
Band ready? Up!
शौर्य, करुणा, ज्ञान और सच इन बच्चों की वर्दी और उनकी गुणों में समाया है। कदमों की यह लय, मुद्रा का यह संतुलन, मानो माँ दुर्गा की ऊर्जा मैदान में उतर आई हो। माँ दुर्गा का शक्ति प्रदर्शन। अब हम सीखने वाले हैं बैंक स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा रथ फॉर्मेशन। रथ केवल एक वाहन नहीं, बल्कि भारत की विजय और अनवरत चलते रहने का प्रतीक है। सेंट बेनेडिक्ट अकेडमी के बैंक स्टूडेंट द्वारा शानदार प्रदर्शन, रथ फॉर्मेशन। आकाश उठा यह रथ भारत की सभ्यता का गौरव बनकर इस मैदान में उभर रहा है। आपकी तालियों से इनका अभिनंदन कीजिए। शानदार प्रदर्शन, भारत का झंडा यूं ही लहराता रहे। रथ केवल एक वाहन नहीं, भारत की विजय और अनवरत चलते रहने का प्रतीक है। आज हम मना रहे हैं अपना वार्षिक खेल महोत्सव, स्वर्णिम भारत, विरासत और विकास। कदमों की लय, मुद्रा का संतुलन, यही है हमारे स्वर्णिम भारत का सपना। अनुशासन, दृढ़ता और रिवाज, जब ये तीनों एक साथ आते हैं तो जन्म लेती है अद्भुत शक्ति। और पताकाओं से जो न केवल खेल की विविधता को प्रदर्शित कर रही है, बल्कि स्वर्णिम भारत की एकता में अनेकता की भावना को भी दर्शा रही है। The rhythm speaks of India's golden ship, with thunder in their drums and sparkle in their steps. Every beat they play celebrates the heartbeat of our nation. Every synchronized step echoes the spirit of progress, and every note reminds us that together in harmony we build the golden India we all dream of. गोल्डन इंडिया, विरासत और विकास हमें यह दिलाता है कि हमारे देश का स्वर्णिम अतिथि हमारे स्वर्णिम भविष्य की प्रेरणा है, और खेल माध्यम है दोनों को जोड़ने का।
The little stars of golden nation shine with an innocence that reflects the purest form of hope. In their tiny footsteps lies the promise of a future crafted with brilliance and boundless possibilities.
Wow, what an amazing start to our sports annual function. The energy in the air is truly golden today.
हर सुबह एक नई किरण लाती है, हर फूल में खुशबू मुस्कुराती है। आज मंच पर उतरेंगी कुछ नन्ही तितलियां, जिनकी मुस्कान से पूरी सृष्टि सज जाती है।
So ladies and gentlemen, get ready to experience a delightful performance as our tiny toads take you to a world of colors, grace and joy, spreading the spirit of our golden India.
Here comes our fluttering little butterflies, our shining little stars. Everyone, please welcome them with a huge round of applause. मुस्कुरा कर भी हर मुस्कान, हर अदा मानो कह रही है कि जिंदगी भी एक उड़ान है। मैदान पर मौजूद है केजी क्लास की नन्ही तितलियां।
What a captivating spectacle that was. Every moment What a historic year it has been, because our Indian women's cricket team has brought home the World Cup trophy 2025. What a proud moment for the nation. तकनीक के इस युग में जहां इंसान और मशीनों की दूरी मिटती जा रही है, आइए जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें हमारे क्लास फर्स्ट के सुपरस्टार्स का, जो लेकर आ रहे हैं एक शानदार क्रिकेट डांस परफॉर्मेंस। आइए जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें हमारे क्लास फर्स्ट के सुपरस्टार्स का, जो लेकर आ रहे हैं एक शानदार क्रिकेट डांस परफॉर्मेंस। What an exhilarating and awe-inspiring inspiring spectacle.
Wow, what a wonderful journey it has been till now. Every performance has filled this stage with energy and excitement.
तकनीक के इस युग में जहां इंसानों और मशीनों की दूरी मिटती जा रही है, वहीं आज की प्रस्तुति आपको ले जाएगी एक ऐसी ओर जहां नाचती है मशीनें और झूमते हैं इंसान। अब वक्त है एक ऐसी अद्भुत प्रस्तुति का जहां भावनाएं होंगी इलेक्ट्रिक और हर मूवमेंट होगा मैकेनिकल।
So, get ready everyone to witness a performance that's not just about dance but about imagination, innovation and inspiration.
Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
मैदान पर आ गए हैं कक्षा 4 के स्टूडेंट्स रोबोटिक्स डांस के लिए। अपनी तालियों से इनका स्वागत कीजिए। पेरेंट्स आपकी तालियां बच्चों को उत्साहवर्धन करेंगी। आपकी तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए।
Are the sounds of the streets. Robo-da, robo-da, boom, boom, robo-da, 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 boom, boom, robo-da, 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 boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da,
What an electrifying performance. Please give them a huge round of applause.
आज हम मना रहे हैं अपना वार्षिक खेल महोत्सव, स्वर्णिम भारत, विकास और विरासत। साथ ही आज का दिन पूरे देश में जनजातीय गौरव दिवस के रूप में मनाया जा रहा है, जो समर्पित है धरती आबा भगवान बिरसा मुंडा को।
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are starting with the most exciting part of our day, the sporting events. अब हम शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं एक से बढ़कर एक एक्साइटिंग रेसेस की, जहां स्पीड भी होगी, मस्ती भी होगी और स्पिरिट भी होगी। और याद रखिए हमारी थीम को, गोल्डन इंडिया स्वर्णिम भारत, जहां हर बच्चा, हर पार्टिसिपेंट एक छोटा चैंपियन है। Before we begin with our first exciting race, we request our sports department and ground management team to kindly take their positions and get the field ready. I request our sports teacher Shahrukh sir and Ashish sir to kindly arrange the track and ensure everything is set for the first event.
जी हाँ, मैदान में मौजूद हैं कक्षा 3 के छात्र रिंग स्टैंड रेस के लिए। लक्ष्य सिंह राजपूत, एम मुआज, सात्विक पटेल, गोपाल पाल, ऋषि